Good afternoon. My name is Ron Berry, and this is my informative speech for Comms 101 at Liberty University. Tonight, we have my audience. Tonight's topic is about Nikola Tesla, the man that revolutionized electricity. July the 10th, 1856, in Croatia, there was a little boy named Nikola Tesla that was born. Nikola became a very inquisitive little boy. Everything he seen, he wanted to know how and why it worked. He became very sick as a child. During his time he was sick, he became fascinated with electricity. He also became fascinated with the Niagara Falls, and he wanted to harness the energy from Niagara Falls. In 1873, he graduated and went to Austria and enrolled in electrical engineering school. While he was in electrical engineering school, one of his professors showed him a simple motor that could use power generated from a generator to produce work. Nikola told his professor that if that motor was run on electricity, alternating current, that it would be much more efficient. The professor told him, no, there's no way, there's no such thing as an alternating current motor. In 1880, Tesla became mad. He was in the bed sick all the time. 1 year later, he's up walking around with one of his friends, and they're just talking, enjoying the park, a stroll through the park. Nikola realizes the whole time that he was mad, he was imagining a motor, an electrical motor. So Nikola picked up a twig, bent down in the sand, and started to draw out the motor. Tesla developed the first alternating current electrical motor. He went to the United States, to New York City in 1884. He would run up to Thomas Edison's shop and was telling Thomas Edison all about this new alternating current and how it was much more efficient than direct current. But Thomas Edison had much more money invested in direct current, and he needed it to excel. So they became an argument, which was better, alternating current or direct current. Thomas Edison really liked direct current. He once shocked a cow in a city park in New York City to show the dangers of alternating current electricity. Nikola Tesla had one advantage. He had the theory of Ohm's law working in his favor. Alternating current, you can step up the voltage or step down. Stepping up the voltage decreases the amperage, causing a use for a smaller wire. This is an example of a 750 MCM wire, which should be used for direct current. This is the same wire, or the same amount of wire you would need for alternating current. And number 4, ACSR. You can see the difference and why alternating current is much more cost effective. Plus, you don't have to have the distribution ever so often. In 1893, Nikola Tesla's motor powered the World's Fair. 2 years later, in 1895, Nikola Tesla used his dream and produced the first hydroelectric power plant from Niagara Falls. There are many uses for electric motors. One most common is a hairdryer. A hairdryer has an electric motor in it that blows the air over the heated elements. This is one use for Nikola's electric motor. There were many, many other ones. Nikola also invented the Tesla coil. He realized that you could produce electricity at a high voltage, high frequency, and transmit it through the air without the use of wires. This became known as the Tesla coil, and it's used today even in televisions and radios. Nikola Tesla was a very bad businessman. He patented very few of his works, got no credit for any electrical. Thomas Edison became the electrical genius. So I hope you're informed with Nikola Tesla. Good night. Thank you.